A family in Fountain is committed to ensuring a beloved one-year-old puppy gets the life she deserves.
The dog's legs have grown so severely out of place, she can barely walk and is in terrible pain.
As Denver 7's Ivan Rodriguez reports, she needs extensive surgery and it won't be cheap.
The moment she saw her, Wendy Steckiel had no doubts.
It was definitely the eyes. Her big brown eyes, I loved them. She'll hide one side so you can't get to it.
A few months ago, the Steckiels adopted Missy as the newest member of the family, even with all the health problems she's facing at such a young age.
The personality overrides it.
Missy's limbs are deformed, her bones have grown crooked, and her kneecaps are out of place.
Yep, we can handle it. You know, it's what you would do for any family member. You'd help them out.
The spirit of perseverance she's using now to help Missy is one she learned early in life. 10 years ago, Wendy was diagnosed with MS, and 2 of her children are autistic.
I can help you. I can get you to your therapies that you're going to need. And having autistic kids, I already knew about therapies and having to stay up on all that kind of stuff.
Every day, she helps Missy with her physical therapy exercises at home, and about once a month, she drives her to Castle Pines for her shockwave therapy.
It sounds a little bit scary. It's really not. What it really is a sound wave that travels through tissue and then will expand and contract in the tissue to stimulate it.
Dr. Bartling is in charge of Missy's rehabilitation.
So essentially, I can bend her knee to about maybe 70 degrees before the patella wants to come out of place again. And that is a big improvement from when I first met her because I couldn't bend her knee at all.
This shockwave therapy is only the beginning of Missy's long recovery. Surgery will come next.
We're going to loosen those tissues so that when that surgeon moves that patella back over and all of these muscles over, they're loose enough to be able to have normal flexibility and stay where we put them as opposed to where they want to be when they're too short.
Right now, I think we have enough movement. If we were ready to go to surgery, I think we could.
And while Missy's treatments and surgery will not be cheap, the Steckiel family knows this is the only way to give Missy the best life possible.
She's like a puzzle piece you didn't know you were missing until it showed up, and then you're like, you fit in, and if we remove you, now we're missing something.
Those big brown eyes Wendy fell in love with are about to see some big changes, the kind that will give this puppy the chance to run with the rest of the family. Ivan Rodriguez, Denver 7.
If you'd like to donate, head over to thedenverchannel.com under the Denver 7 Gives tab. Click on the drop-down menu and it shows you Help Missy with Surgery.